so beautiful.
Good luck.
I've never seen him laugh before.
Is this the intro?
Hey, yo,
What is she singing?
She
said, "Is this the intro?"
She said the words, man. Hey, yo, why she keep going, man? Why is she still going, man?
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
I'm in today's video, contributing to a KSI video. This one is called A Racist Dog Try Not to Laugh. I don't really upload Try Not to Laugh videos that much on my channel because when I upload them, they don't really get as much views as my other videos. But if you want to see me upload more Try Not to Laugh videos and more KSI videos, please say so in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more from my channel, press the notification bell so that you're notified every time when I upload a video. But I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hola, mi amor, KSI legitimacy. See, today, try not to laugh.
I had no idea that Prime was created by KSI and
tell,
Logan
my
Paul.
Spanish,
I just found out
isn't
today
that
that
great.
Prime was created by
But
both
today
of
we're
them.
gonna try not to
I had no
laugh.
idea they
Let's get straight
would
into
collaborate.
this.
Or as we like to call them, biggers. Small power! Our ancestors been fighting this battle for years.
Segregation was strictly enforced in public restrooms and at water fountains. Even food was segregated.
We're the master race. God made us in his image. Right.
Oh no, we don't serve your kind. Get your bigger ass out of here.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
We don't want your kind living round here, boy.
I've been harassed, called names. My wife was called a bigger lover.
Well, that's not as bad as getting hit by a chair.
Oh, I'm noticing.
Wait, what? What was that? Oh, for a second, I was like, yo, that sounded a bit close. That sounded a little bit
Yeah,
close.
bigger,
Alright.
bigger.
Hey, oh my days. This guy's, he's gone to the toilet. He's just gone to the toilet and he's forgotten his phone is connected to the TV.
Oh.
Hey, go knock.
No.
Hey, what do you want to do?
No.
Hey guys, okay. I've never tried popcorn before. A lot of you guys are gonna be like, how have you never tried popcorn? Guys, I've never tried it before, don't come for me. So I thought it would be a good idea to try some popcorn. I'm super scared. Oh my god,
I'm super scared.
Gotta watch.
Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go.
What? Oh, maybe he's making fun of influencers or something like that.
I don't know.
What is
Try
this?
another one.
Hey, yo, what has happened?
This is exactly what they always
Social
do.
media. Is this what it's like?
I mean, it's okay. It's not like all that. I don't get the hype.
Oh, even the laugh
This
at
is what
the
they
end.
always do. I did not understand it.
Please answer me this.
I have one question and one
What
question
is
on
that
why.
beard?
Why to the barbers on why? Why this man spray paint on my face? Why he spray paint on my
I mean, you can wipe it off.
shower? This is ridiculous.
Jesus. Nah,
You
man.
wipe it
Like,
off?
as soon as you brought out the mirror, surely you should have gone like, nah, man, fix this shit.
Yeah.
Like, you looked in the mirror and went, yeah, this is good. Thank you. Here's your money. I'm happy with this product.
Yo, about to head into work, another day, another dollar.
Yeah, I'm about to head into work another day, another dollar.
When I'm editing my videos, I always feel like
Hey, yo,
this.
this used to be me when I was younger. I always hated the sound of my voice when I was younger. Obviously, now I love myself, so.
Nigga, jalapeno peppers raw are the best. Stop fucking with me. Anything raw is good.
look as well, man. I was like, oh, okay.
Wake up and look in the mirror, remind yourself that you a bitch. When you go to sleep, remind yourself you a bitch. When you wake up, remind yourself you a bitch. When you look at your mama, say, mama, I'm a bitch. Remind yourself every day that you a bitch. When you look at your daddy, his hair, whack. His gear, whack. His jewelry, whack. His footsteps, whack. The way that he talks, whack. The way that he doesn't even whack. Me, I'm tight. Fuck!
I'm Terry Bullweather, and this is some of the worst wind I've ever experienced. And my wife has IBS. The next officer's advice is to not go outdoors. So that is exactly.
Wait, what's IBS? Okay. Okay.
I'm Terry Bullweather, and this is some of the worst wind I've ever experienced. And my wife has IBS. The next officer's advice is to not go outdoors. So that is exactly what we have done. Experts are calling it Storm Eunice because it can play your niece, your nephew, and your entire family away in a matter of seconds. As you can see, it's an absolute bloodbath of we live in. This one's still alive. Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir? How many things are holding up? He's dead. Officials are warning not to open any umbrellas outdoors after an elderly woman was blown all the way to Uganda in the early hours of this morning. But we're going to do it anyway. As you can see, it was blown thousands of feet into the air, shaking about violently. It was the equivalent of being inside 7 hurricanes or 1 Ryanair flight. This fence is on the brink of collapse, and it's right by a local school, making it the biggest threat to teenagers since Prince Andrew got released.
Hey, Markel, you want to airdrop me those photos?
Yeah, I'm gonna just send them to you. What's your number?
Yeah, it's a 519
Okay, yeah.
385.
What's the number? I don't know. Do you know these people?
No.
just say it again.
Just start over what you were saying. Like, nobody stopped me. I want to get the same stuff. I want to get airdrop. Nobody airdrops me now. I want airdrops, huh?
Is he sipping on ketchup? What the fuck? It's gonna jolt him, right? I know them ones. Obviously back in the day, because I got money now. But, you know, I do know them ones.
No.
Oh, that's gonna bust. Oh, that chick is gonna be good. Oh my God, there's no way. Damn. Damn. Bro. What you know what we're gonna do with that? Some fries. What you think? Fries? Fries with what? With the chicken.
What is this camera angle?
What you about to eat?
Oh my God. Wow.
Jeez.
Wow, that was almost so beautiful.
Good luck.
I've never seen him laugh before.
Is this the intro?
Hey, yo,
what is she singing?
He said, "Is this the intro?"
She said the words. Hey, yo, why she keep going, man? Why is she still going, man?
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, yeah, that was phenomenal. Welcome.
I am actually president of the company.
Jesus. I mean, I thought, you know what, my forehead's tiny compared to him.
Terrible names for dogs. Help!
I'm trying to think, what's a terrible name for a dog? Suck your mom! Suck your mom! Suck your mom! Clitoris! Clitoris!
Well, I'll take both of y'all niggas at the same time, boy. Yes, he did. Oh, you meant fight?
Oh, god damn it, man.
What?
Hey, yo, chill, bro. Hey, yo, chill.
Gay.
Thank you. Say thank you. Say thank you. Oh, I love you.
Hey, yo, say it again.
Say thank you. Oh, I love you.
Hey, yo, can we cancel a dog? Can we do that? Can we do that?
I am going to be addressing the rumours about a video I made in which I called my nana slag and pulled out her life support. Clearly people are upset by my actions, and I just wanted to say that I am sorry that what I did has offended you guys. If you have been following the channel for a while, you know that this is not me, and it was never my intentions to pull out my nana's life support. And just before we carry on this video, I just want to say,
can you guys like and subscribe? Hit the bell notification so you never miss a video.
Hey, yo, where's the sponsor? Where's the... You gotta make sure the video's sponsored as well. This video is also sponsored by NordVPN.
Feminism. I just find it strange how men are seen as superior to women. I feel we're all equal. If not, women are better. We can make a human. Squeeze milk out of our tits. Queef. If we want.
If we want.
Way better than men. Yeah. And football as well. Why do women get paid less in football? Didn't the women's US national football team lose to a squad of under 15-year-old boys? No, that's myth. I did that.
Breaking news. Russia has announced World War III, so all men to the front line. See you soon. Or not.
Look at that.
Hey!
How old are you?
I've been in this game for more than 20 years.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
What?
Don't forget my age. Just focus on how long I've been in the game.
I've been in the game for 20 years, but I'm 15. What a legend.
Got in trouble.
Nice. Everyone knew that. Everyone knows that sound.
Hey there, brother. Do you have time
I've
to
seen
talk
this
about
song.
Jesus Christ today? Oh, you're dead? Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a blessing.
Wait, he
had the
nodded his head. She said, oh, you're deaf, and he said...
Yeah, brother. Do you have time to talk about Jesus Christ today? Oh, you're dead? Oh, okay. Well, you have yourself a blessed day.
Okay, you too.
You
Look, let me show you something. You see this? Wait, look. My woman, look now. Look.
I'm looking.
Wow. Hey? Magic. Oh, no. It's a lie.
Please.
Mommy, I'll be right there.
What the fuck?
Wait, but check this out. Check. Pow! Abracadabra. Abraca what? Abracakini cadabra. No. Let me show you the rest of it. I can't take it. Check this out. Check. Wait. Come on. Look at this out.
I'm
check
curious.
Pedals there. Pink. Pedals gone. Gone? How? I can't watch this sausage. Oh no, it's not sausage. It's just simple illusions of the mentality. And you're using all these words. All I know is monkey see, monkey do. Where you see this hand, I put this hand there, and the thing is back there. Yeah, he's a wizard. Mommy, there's a wizard here.
It's a wizard? Alright, well, yeah, you know what? That was a decent batch. I think I laughed quite a bit now. Shock. Alright, it's been your boy KSI. I'll see you later. Take care. Peace.